Hello everyone, welcome all in Crypto with Sarthak. Hope you all are going good. This video is totally going to about for lovely new finance to clear all your doubts regarding Ethereum Bridge, utilities, static audit, live casino and much more. Why I am making this video, there is a big reason behind it. What this token does in its starting month after launching of its swap and launchpad is absolutely great. It gives around the profit of 100x to its pre-sale participants. And in coming days, they will be bringing crypto wallet, live casino gaming and decentralized exchange. This is too good, you can't even think how much profit it will give to you. You are watching this video, so I think some of you are pre-sale participants, some of you are new one and some of you want to buy Lovely. So I just want to tell, don't be late to buy it. We had missed many projects in past because we don't had internet to make research on them. There is no one who can tell us about good things. But now you have Google and YouTube and proper internet connectivity so you can watch and make research on them. Dream of Lovely owner is too big. The team wants to take Lovely to $1. No doubt they can do it as they are working very hard and can achieve this very soon. Now talking about their roadmap. Roadmap is totally divided into 5 phases. Phase 1 is already completed, phase 2 is also completed and phase 3 is also completed. Fourth phase is going on and few things are remaining in that. But the fifth phase is going to be too huge. They also started their audit service. As you are seeing in fourth phase, it is mentioned to start audit service. They had already started. There is one project, Humpo, which is audited by Lovely Spectre. Lovely Spectre is the name given to their audit company. Just think one thing, one token with so many utilities, swap, launchpad, audit service, wallet, live gaming, their own decentralized exchange. Oh my god, this is going too huge. They are starting partnership soon. As it is mentioned also in fourth phase, they are going to start partnership with Humpo for the launch of Lovely Live Casino. And you all are very aware that Lovely Casino and casino of any token is the future of that project. Now talking about the phase 5. Listing on it is mentioned that listing on 5-6 exchanges with market push. It will be great. These exchanges are not small, they are going to be tier 1 exchanges. And listing on the platforms like KuCoin, Gate.io will be awesome. Now talking about that everything loves to talk, that is listing on Binance. Yes, you are hearing right. Few days ago you have seen that Lovely make a tweet on Twitter with the same caption as Binance tweeted. Here you can see. This may be a hint as the owner love to give surprises. Maybe Binance listing will be soon. If you are pre-sale holder, then you are very aware that how many surprises you are getting day by day from August also. Their way of working is too good and different. They believe on work, not on their name. They are working anonymously, but they are very secure as they are audited by Certic. Now many holders are having doubt regarding this. I want to tell you about some pre-sale holders of the Lovely. They have mentioned on their website. Now I am going to clear the biggest doubt people are having about Certic audit. I am going to make it clear, very clear for you. When you search Certic audit on Google, you will see that Lovely Inu is in trending, and we are already listed there. You can see that price is also visible. See, Certic audit take time. It is a step-by-step process. In coming days, you will see Certic audit report also. But you have to keep patient. Time depends to audit, totally depends on Certic. I had already voted on Secure. You can go and vote for it if you wish. Now coming on to the Ethereum bridge. Few days ago, they have tweeted that our Ethereum bridge is live now. So what is the mean of that? Many people are not aware with this. Are you aware of PancakeSwap? Yes. In PancakeSwap, you will buy token through your BNB coin on Binance Smart Chain and fees is roughly around $0.5. But in Ethereum bridge, you can also buy token through Uniswap using your Ethereum coin and all transactions will appear on Etherscan. Advantage to make Ethereum bridge live is that Lovely will gain new holders. The people who are holding Ethereum can buy Lovely. So this way we will get more holders. So I think you will understand what is Ethereum bridge. Now I want to tell you about some of the utilities. Lovely is born to create history. Note my single line anywhere and you will see that in future. Lovely is going to create history, and Lovely, if you hold Lovely, it will change your life. A single meme token with so many utilities. Swap, launchpad, gaming, wallet, and its own decentralized exchange. If you are in crypto, you are very aware of all those things. Devs are also have planned to launch Lovely blockchain, and this is so huge that you can't even think of. So in the end, I must say visit www.lovely.finance. I am not giving any financial advice here. I am just telling you after researching and I found it great. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, you can post it on comment box. I will try to answer that. If you find this useful, share with everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.